Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this series of videos, we provide step-by-step instruction on how to assemble our range of adherence packaging. Today we will review how to assemble and seal our FlexRx Lite adherence package using SynMed automated workflow solutions. Place the blisters into the SynMed tray with the longer top flange directed toward the top of each grid where the pins are located. When all the blisters have been placed, insert the tray into the SynMed machine and follow SynMed's instructions to operate the machine. When the filling process is complete, remove the tray as instructed to begin the sealing process. As you move through this video, please note the following steps will be repeated across all 8 blisters in the tray. Locate the edge ties indicated on the back of the label. Snap the edge ties on either side of the label. Locating the perforation at the back of the label, fold along this perforation so the top part of the label meets the bottom part of the label. Then, remove the strip on the back of the label where indicated to expose a line of adhesive. With the colored side facing up, align the folded edge of the label with the perforation line at the top of the blister. With these elements aligned, steady the label in the middle of the tray with one hand. Use your other hand to fold the top part of the label towards the tray. Firmly run your finger over the adhesive strip. Fold back the label and verify the contents of your blister. Now, remove the remaining liner from the label at a 45-degree angle. Then, using your hand, gently apply the label to the blister in a downward motion. Using the roller, apply firm, consistent pressure over the entire blister in a horizontal and vertical motion to ensure a solid seal is achieved across the surface. To remove the package from the tray, grasp the top edge of the label and gently lift from the tray. Please note, before dispensing, the pharmacist should instruct the patient on the proper use of their FlexRx Lite adherence package. The patient can find the appropriate time pass, push through the label with their finger, pinch the label, and peel the label backwards to access the medication. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about the FlexRx Lite, please contact us anytime.